Minutes of Music. We are learning What's Up by 4 Non-Blondes today. An amazing sing-along song, super fun to just belt it out, rock it out. There's only 3 chords, and it's a really fun song. If this is one of the first songs you're learning on the guitar, this is a great place to start. If you're already pretty comfortable with some chords, there are some ways we can make this more interesting with the strumming pattern and the pinky G chord. So first thing I need you guys to do is download the song chart following the link in the description. It's got the chords on there, the lyrics, the strumming pattern, everything you need to know to play along with me at the end of this video. We'll do a full sing along and play along. We're gonna go through the chords and the strumming pattern, and then we're gonna rock it out. Sounds like a plan? Okay. Grab your guitar, make sure it's in tune. We're gonna play this song with no capo in the key of G. The 4 Non-Blondes play it with capo 2. So everything we learned today, if you put your capo on the 2nd fret, you can play along with them. They play it in the key of A. So I've also been singing all day long, and I don't really want to sing that high. That's why I'm going to play it with no capo. But you guys, you can put the capo anywhere you want to find a key that fits your voice. That is the power of the capo and the joy of playing the open chords. Yes, so let's talk about the chords. 3 chords that we need. We need the G chord, the A minor chord, and the C chord. So G chord, you could do a G chord that you already know. It could be this G with your 2 fingers down here. It could be this G. Or if you're already pretty comfortable with that G, maybe this is a great opportunity to try a new G chord, the pinky G chord. Woo! Pinky G, baby! So I call this pinky G because it's my pinky down here on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Then my ring finger goes up here, and then my middle finger goes there. My index finger is doing nothing. It's just getting ready for the next chord, which is A minor. And it's already down there, and then boom, I'm ready for my A minor chord. And then the great part about A minor, we go to the C chord next, and I get to leave this finger and this finger exactly where they are between A minor and stretchy C chord. Beautiful. Now when we go back to G, which is the next chord in the progression, this is why pinky G is so cool. This finger and this finger just pop up by 1 string, and then the pinky comes down. So let's look at that chord progression. We have G, A minor, stretchy C, and then back to G. Pretty nice? G is the first chord and the last chord of our chord progression, so you're going to be playing G twice as long as all the other chords. All right. The strumming pattern is quite a cool strumming pattern. It's actually going to be 2 strumming patterns glued together. If you guys want to download our free resource, our strumming pattern and chord change page, it's on our website. It has, I think, 19 strumming patterns, a whole bunch of chord changes. It's a really great resource to practice your strumming patterns and your chord changes. And we are going to be using strumming pattern number 4 and strumming pattern number 7, kind of, with 1 extra strum. So strumming pattern 4 on the page is down, down, up, down, down, up. That's the first half of the pattern, and the second half of our strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, up, down, up. If I glue those 2 together, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Try it with me on G. Down. What's cool about YouTube is you guys can go back and watch that again. You can slow down the speed, and you can practice it even slower if you want. You can also speed me up into chipmunk mode and just have a good laugh about it. But anyway, play that strumming pattern a million times until you don't have to think about it. That is what's so good about the strumming pattern and chord change page that you can download. Just practice, practice, practice. All the songs that we ever learn are just different combinations of the chords, different combination of the strumming pattern, and then a little bit of rock and roll energy, turn up the stank, and then boom, you got yourself a song. If this is one of the first songs you guys are learning, you can keep the strumming pattern simple. You can just do strumming pattern 6 or just strumming pattern 4. So strumming pattern 4 is down, down, up, been playing for a little while, you probably know strumming pattern 6/7. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That's gonna rock this song as well. Back to the other one, but the point is, it doesn't really matter exactly what strumming pattern you're doing, you guys. The strumming pattern is just to accompany the song, right? So you could be doing a little bit of pattern 4, a little bit of the full pattern I taught you, a little bit of pattern 7, a little bit of some pattern you don't even know what you're doing. That's not the point. Just have fun with it, right? Just rock it out. I'm gonna get a little bit louder, I'm gonna get a little bit quieter. I'm gonna use the strumming pattern to tell the story and to express the feeling of the song, right? That's what we're doing. We're just learning songs to have fun, to play them at open mic night, play them at the campfire, play them by yourself to your cat. He doesn't even care. But anyways, I hope you guys get the point. I hope you guys have fun. I think we have all that we need to play this song. We're gonna play G, A minor, C, and G. That's another reason why this song is a really great song. I mean, there's many reasons, but one of them is the fact that the chords do not change throughout the whole song. In the chorus, in the verse, in the pre-chorus, in the little guitar solo thing, in the intro, it's always the same 4 chords over and over and over again. So guys, download the song chart and get your guitar in tune, and let's play this song together. 1, 2, 3, 4. what a fun song to play. I hope you guys just belted it at the top of your lungs. I don't know how the cat is sleeping through that. Although he does live in a music school house, so he's used to it. Thanks for strumming along. Thanks for playing along. You guys rock. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share the video if you enjoyed it. Keep strumming, keep smiling. We'll see you guys in the next video.